Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail.
Let's have a look at the Nourison's Essentials Indoor-Outdoor Area Rug for features, setup, tips, and my favorite features.
It would be a good idea to do this first before you start.
Absolutely pre-measure the area that you want to cover. Here's a quick tip. Measure your foot in centimeters or inches. Write down this measurement. Walk and count the steps that you want to cover in your area. Multiply the steps to your foot measurement. This will equal your total measurement on one side. These rugs come in multiple sizes and cover worn high traffic areas without having to do the hard work of repainting, refinishing, or staining.
Here's a quick setup demonstration. Here's my favorite features.
The polypropylene material has a soft feel. It gives off a shimmering color, which holds up from fading from being outdoors. Has strong detailed stitch edges, 1/4 inch thick, has a power loom weave, water resistant, and easy to clean.
Now, let's view the results.
After seeing the results and how easy it was to set up, we just didn't get one. We actually got another rug for the front part of our porch, which we'll also demonstrate in this video. Here's another tip and suggestion. We suggest the Nourison non-slip area rug pads. This will prolong the life of your rugs by using 3 options: using the Anchor Lock Firm Grip, the Lock Basic, or the Lock Deluxe. Next, we'll be demonstrating the setup for the second area rug.
Now, let's look at the results. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.